Alright everybody, so as promised we are editing the video from our last episode on both of the apps KineMaster and PowerDirector. Now please remember that KineMaster is still on the freemium side. I have not gotten premium just yet, but we will get it. So we'll start a new video right here. We'll click that little button right here in the middle. Bam. We'll choose 16 by 9. Now we are going to get a lot of commercials because we do not have premium just yet. Then we'll go to screen recordings, and here is the screen recording for this video. And we actually messed up quite a bit in the beginning. It was quite atrocious. And so we actually start this video off at about 8 minutes. So we're going to go find 8 minutes. Let's hit the play button. There it is.
Hello everybody.
And there we go. So we are going to start right there. Let's go ahead and trim left of the playhead. Bam. Click OK.
Hello everybody and welcome to Froggo's Creators Academy. This is the second video on my new channel here.
Perfect. So let's go ahead and separate the audio like so. But the main thing is that we have an equalizer. So we can go ahead and go to rock.
Hello everybody and welcome to Froggo's Creators Academy.
Perfect. And that's pretty much it. The rest of the video, I nailed it. We don't have anything to add. And that is pretty much everything we need, except at the very end. I do not have a custom intro for this channel yet. We will get there, and we will also talk about that later in another episode. But for now, let's go ahead and put some media in there. There we go. And we will add that in there. Let's take a look at the transitions that they offer. Presentation. How about fun transitions? And we'll do knock aside. Perfect. So now let's watch at the end.
To it. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Awesome. I'll take that. And now we can go ahead and click the button up here and we can export it. So as you see, once we get the full version, we'll be able to do that. Frame rate, we'll do 30. And there we go. We don't have the premium though, so we really can't. Oh wait, it's going to let us. Exporting 4K takes a long time. Actually, look at that. That's going faster than PowerDirector did. And that is the good thing about editing video on a phone versus on the computer, is I find that the exporting of the videos, or whatever other word you want to use for it, is a lot faster. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look at KineMaster. And then the other video that I showed you, that I will be showing you guys as well, or maybe you already watched it, is the one for PowerDirector. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.